Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Today I am talking about the OIC, Organization of Islamic Conference. When there is Western country who ridicule or blaspheme my Prophet, peace be upon him. So this is the failure of the OIC because he didn't explain to the Western country that how the love and affection that we feel for our Holy Prophet when there are some people who ridicule our Holy Prophet. So this is the failure of OIC. Today, OIC was totally failed to explain the Western country that how is Islam. OIC is failed to protect, to secure the innocent Muslim in the world, like Kashmir, Palestine. Nobody can come in action. Why? Why the Muslim leaders are sleeping when they will wake up? So this is the time that Muslim Ummah and the brave leader of Islamic country can walk up and make unite, fight against the illegal law of Western country and other that the word Islamic terrorism is used. Why Islamic terrorism is used? Because terrorism is nothing to do with Islam and Islam is nothing to do with terrorism. These are different. I can give some example that there is a million of people who has died and the cause is non-Muslim. He is not a Muslim. Hitler is a Nazi dictator. He killed 10 million people. But no media, nobody can say that Hitler is a Christian terrorist. Nobody can say. Joseph Stalin, he was the dictator of the Russia. He killed 20 million people. Out of head, 14 million people was died due to starvation. But nobody blamed it. Nobody said that Joseph Stalin was a terrorist. And number third, Benito Mussolini, Italian dictator. He killed 4 million people in the Second World War. Oh, and other 30,000 people was killed in Ethiopia war. But nobody, no media can talk show and blame that Mussolini was a terrorist. Nobody. And other, the most dangerous terrorist in the world is Bush. President Bush. He banned trade to Iraq. As a result, 5 million children was died due to starvation. But nobody said that President George Bush was a terrorist. And today, those Western country leaders use the Islamic terrorism. Why? Because this is the failure of OIC. This is the failure of Islamic leaders. You didn't explain to the Western country that what is terrorist and what is Islam. Because he was failed, the Muslim leader, to explain the Western country to show the real face of Islam. Another, I can say that in Nagasaki, the American are blasting the atomic bomb. As a result, 2 million people have died. These all are non-Muslim. The Second World War, 1 crore people was died. These are due to cause is non-Muslim. These are non-Muslim. These are not Muslim. Islam is a peaceful religion. And current affair in New Zealand, there is a gunship man who entered into the mosque and killed 50 innocent people. Because he didn't know that Islam has nothing to do with terrorism. Terrorism is different with Islam. Because this is the failure of OIC. The Muslim leader didn't explain it to the Western country. And today, Muslim is like a spectator. We are like a spectator. Just we can see in Kashmir and Palestine. Innocent Muslims are dying. The cruelties of Israel and Indian army. But we just say the spectator. Why? When we all come in action. This is the time that Muslim leaders come together and fight against these type of people. This is the time. Because Our holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said that Muslim is like a one body. If there is any part of the body will pain, so the whole body is disturbed. But today we live this hadith. Muslim, this is the time that we together and fight against the non-Muslim who are cruelties upon the Palestine and Kashmir. This is the time. Walk up. These are non-Muslim that we can give an example. These are non-Muslim. Islam is nothing to do with terrorism. No religion is nothing to do with terrorism. Terrorism is so different. When there are some people who do Islamic terrorism, so this is fine. Every Muslim. So this is why I can show some example, and last word I can speak that every Muslim in the world, he believe La ilaha illallah. There is no worthy of worship except Allah. And then we will fight. Wassalam, thank you.